Hello and welcome to a quick little video tutorial on how to make all your assignments public in MyEdBC. So you're going to go to the Gradebook top tab. You're going to pick your class. You're going to go to Assignments, and then you're going to go to All Records under the filter. So filter all records. You're going to see visibility here, and you're going to go options and mass update. I'm going to go to field, visibility type. I'm going to make them public, and I'm going to hit update. Okay, and now you can see that everyone is public. You're going to go back to class list. You're going to choose the next class, assignments, filter, all records, options, mass update, choose visibility type, make them public, and update. And then you'll do that for the rest of your classes by going back to class list. Thanks for watching.